nice blue herring. Let's see if I can get a better look. Hey everybody, so you're probably wondering how I got in this situation. Being soaked and all. I just wanted to catch a bass. Is that too much to ask for? It started out to be a nice sunny day. Little did I know, a storm system was approaching in the distance. My hopes is to enjoy a nice paddle and to catch a bass. Wait for it. Oh God. Whoa. Is this a bass? Oh, please stay on. This feels good. Oh my God. Is it a bass? The way it hit, it felt like a striped bass. Whoa, no. I think it's something else. Oh. It's a strong channel cat? Channel catfish. Wow. Super aggressive. Going for a chatterbait. Wow. The way it was pulling felt strong, and it is strong. Wow. Bring you in right now. That's a beautiful fight. Beautiful fish. It's the first catch on a chatterbait of a catfish. I didn't think they would go for a chatterbait, but it makes sense. There's reaction bites from catfish. Kind of windy today. Beautiful temperature, 70 degrees, but the wind is increasing midday. So I'm trying to get to the protection of the less windy side. You know what? I actually think this is a blue catfish, but I didn't think there was any blue catfish in this area. What do you think? Say it's a channel, but it has a bluish tint to it. That's weird. There's no blue catfish in my area. I have to go into other bodies of water to find them. The mouth is rough. Where are you caught? In the soft of the mouth. Oh, got it. I got you. Let's take a look at you. So watch out. At the ends of the fins is... is the pincers. What do you think? Channel cat or blue catfish? Head is nice and wide, just like a blue catfish too. It's a mystery. Channel catfish are more brown too, so. Blue? It says 4 pounds on the Boga. I'll use the digital in a moment. (22.5 inches). Too big for the bucket. Any fish in there? Any bass? Nope. measure it more accurately with the digital Rapala. And Boga said it was 4. It's very close to 4. It's 3.83. 3.83. She's a beauty. A lot of meat on that. Look at that meat. And it's slimy. Okay. It's a blue catfish, which is not native to my area. How it got here is a mystery. Nevertheless, it's a pleasant surprise, and I'll take it. It's free. Switch to a smaller chatterbait, and I got something. Smaller chatterbait in white. It is a bass, I think. I think it's a bass. Medium size. Oh! Let go. Oh. Nothing is going for the chatterbait, so I briefly do some drop shotting. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Pretty strong. Chatterbait wasn't working, so figured finesse with the drop shot. It's coming up. It's coming up. Slowly. I guess it's a catfish, maybe. Another catfish. Let's see. Not as big as the one I just caught, but ooh. Oh, it is a catfish. Different catfish. This is the bullhead. Bullhead catfish. See, there's a lot of these guys in this lake. That other catfish was a different species. So it's called Keychain. 2 different catfish, 2 different techniques. Good size for a bullhead. See, I drop shotted with a trout mouse tail. That's what it's called. Mouse tail. Gotta right myself because of the wind is pushing me around like a bobber. Oh, it came out. I like that. I didn't even have to do much. Brownish green color. Fat head. Lots of whiskers. Catfish. Be free. Caught that bullhead with a mouse tail. Normally meant for trout. Drop shotted with it. Uh-oh. As you can see, the winds are picking up. The storm is fast approaching. I was really hoping to catch a bass. Let me try the mini chatterbait, which is my go-to bait. Let's see if I can catch a bass before the storm arrives. Got something. Wow. It's not a bluegill, it's something bigger. Oh, it's a bass! I think it's a bass. Yeah. It's sweet. Oh, it's a big bass. Oh, don't jump. You are nice size. Oh God. No. Come on. Got it. Oh. I got it. Oh. It's been a while since I caught a largemouth. I cast it right against the shore where it looked kind of fishy to me. Like there was a little hole in the ground under some tree roots along the shore. I said, ooh, if I were a fish, I'd hide right there. And there it was, a fishy. Oh, you shook it right off. That's what I used. Mini chatterbait, 3-inch curly tail. It's a beauty. Storm is coming. Just wanted to catch one more fish before the storm. Who's gonna get here? Yeah, nice largemouth. Got it. You can breathe. Use 3 different lures. 3 different fish, 2 catfish and 1 bass. Good day. It's starting to rain. It's a beautiful fish. 16 inches. Yeah, 16 inches. Love that fin. Gotta get out of here. The rain's coming. Wow, I got a bass just in time, but the rain got me. Bye-bye. Let's get out of here. At home, kids. I'm crazy. Storm isn't coming. Well, storm is here. Don't worry, folks. I got home safe, and not a moment too soon. The thunder has arrived too. Thanks for joining me as I was able to catch a bass despite the rain. Plus, I caught a nice blue catfish on the way. Please like and comment because it keeps me going, and subscribe if you are new here, and I will bring you more fun adventures. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time on my outdoor, nature, and fishing channel. now all I have to do is bring in my pet turtles, because it's raining on them. Sorry guys. Not that you don't like being wet. You got a little excitement today, didn't you?